Hello folks, maintaining the correct tire pressure is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Different tire types require different pressures and considerations when using a portable inflator. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to fix your car's tire pressure based on tire type and the best portable inflators for each. Check the recommended tire pressure. Find the recommended PSI or bar inside the driver's door frame, in the vehicle manual, or on the fuel cap. Tire pressure varies based on load, speed, and tire type. Identify your tire type. Different tires have different inflation needs. Standard passenger car. Tires, also known as radial tires, usually require 30 to 35 psi. Performance tires with their lower sidewalls need a higher PSI of 35 to 40 for better handling. SUV and truck tires typically require 35 to 45 psi, and sometimes even higher if you're carrying heavy loads. Off-road tires, including all-terrain and mud-terrain tires, vary by surface. For highway driving, you'll need 35 to 40 psi, but for off-road conditions like sand or mud, 15 to 25 psi is better for grip. Run-flat tires usually need a higher PSI, around 35 to 50, due to their reinforced sidewalls. Lastly, low-profile tires require more frequent checks as they lose air faster. Measure the current tire pressure. Use a digital or analog tire pressure gauge before inflating. If the pressure is too low, inflate. If too high, release air using the gauge's release valve. Inflate using a portable air compressor. Depending on tire type, choose an inflator with the right power. Compact digital inflators, best for standard car tires and motorcycles. High-powered inflators, 12-volt or battery-powered, ideal for SUVs, trucks, and run-flat tires. Heavy-duty inflators with direct battery clamps, needed for off-road and all-terrain tires. Steps to inflate: attach the inflator's nozzle securely to the valve. Set the desired pressure if the inflator has an auto shut-off feature. Start the inflator and monitor the pressure. Once the correct PSI is reached, turn off and remove the hose. Reattach the valve cap. Best portable tire inflators for different tire types. Best for standard car tires, like sedans and hatchbacks, is the Xiaomi Portable Electric Air Compressor 2. It's compact and USB-C rechargeable. It features a digital display with auto shutoff, making it great for quick top-ups. This one is best for tires needing 30 to 35 psi. Best for performance and low-profile tires is the Astro II cordless air compressor. It offers fast inflation with its 20-volt battery power. Plus, it has a digital gauge with accurate readings, ideal for tires requiring 35 to 40 psi. Best for SUV and truck tires is the Tyre 88P. It connects directly to the battery for high power, handling larger tires up to 33 inches. It can inflate up to 45 psi, making it perfect for heavy-duty SUVs and trucks. Best for off-road all-terrain and mud-terrain tires, Tyre 300P Heavy Duty. This inflator handles large 4x4 tires with ease. It offers deflate and inflate control for off-road adjustments, and can inflate from 15 to 45 psi for different terrains. Best for run-flat and high-pressure tires, DeWalt 20Vi Max Cordless Inflator. This versatile inflator works with DeWalt 20-volt batteries or a 12-volt plug-in. It provides high-speed inflation for up to 50 psi, featuring a digital display and a durable build. Tire pressure recommendations by vehicle type. For small cars like sedans and hatchbacks, the recommended PSI is 30 to 35. Sports cars with performance tires should be at 35 to 40 psi. SUVs and crossovers typically need 35 to 45 psi. Pickup trucks require 35 to 50 psi. Off-road vehicles have an adjustable range of 15 to 45 psi. Run-flat tires should be maintained at 35 to 50 psi. Additional tips for tire inflation. Check your tire pressure monthly or before long trips. Always measure when the tires are cold before driving. Avoid overinflating as it can lead to poor handling. Keep a portable inflator in your car for emergencies, and don't forget to check your spare tires' pressure regularly. Would you like specific recommendations based on your car model or budget?